Hi, it's Torina. Let's dive into what's new with Meisterplan.
You can now import projects from Asana out of the box without complex setup or API work. Import task data, such as effort and assignees, and synchronize it with Meisterplan so all relevant planning data is in one place. In a view such as the Portfolio Designer, click Add in the toolbar and select Import Projects. Then click Asana. Select the Asana workspace. And select the projects you want to import. The selected projects will be imported as Meisterplan projects, and you can view their tasks and effort in the Task Insights. Under Integrations Connected Tools, you can find an overview of all existing links to project and task management tools in your system. You can also add new tool links. More out-of-the-box tools are already planned. Reich is next in line, with Microsoft Planner and Todoist following shortly after. Keep an eye on our upcoming releases to find out when the next tools will be available. We're excited to share that you can now manage custom planning intervals and display them in the Portfolio Designer Beta, Roadmap, and Task Timeline. Click Configure View in the toolbar and select a planning interval. You can now see the selected planning interval displayed on the timeline. To add a new planning interval, go to Manage and select Planning Intervals. Click Add Planning Interval and enter a name. Next, add one or multiple time segments. In the Portfolio Designer Beta, the Roadmap, and the Task Timeline, you can use the respective configuration dialog or toolbar to select which planning interval should be displayed. Maintaining financials has just become easier. You can now manage financial events in a spreadsheet-style grid that allows you to edit entries directly in the cells. Open the Project Details view and go to the Financials section. There, select the Time Grid mode. You can edit the entries directly in the cells. To add a new entry, click the plus icon next to each cost type and search for the appropriate financial category. The Time Grid mode also displays allocations as read-only rows in addition to the financial events. You can also enter negative values for financial events to record counter bookings such as discounts or refunds. Users can now add notes to their time entries in the My Schedule view. These notes can provide important context and task details without needing another tool. In the My Schedule view, hover over a cell with a time entry and click the note icon. Next, enter your note. The notes are tracked in the change log. They can also be exported via the export to Excel with the actual time worked entry. In addition to the Team Planner, the Portfolio Designer, and the Resource Pool, you can now staff roles in the project details. Open a project's details and go to the Allocations tab. Click the three dots after a role's name and select Staff Role. Select the desired resources or teams and click Staff Role.
Thanks for watching. Check out the Meisterplan roadmap for features, tips, webinars, and updates like this video. Vote, comment, or share your ideas to help us improve. And if you need help, reach out at support@meisterplan.com or explore our help center. See you next month.